Hi, I'm Anita. I'm going to read Should You Always Do the Right Thing? How Important is Personal Happiness? No matter who you are, you likely struggle with the question of whether doing the right thing should always come before your own happiness. On one hand, making good moral choices earn the trust and respect of others. It also gives you a clear conscience. An example is telling the truth when you rather avoid getting in trouble. That may be difficult in the moment, but it often prevents bigger problems later. Also, standing up for someone who is being bullied might not be comfortable, but it helps protect others and show courage. Living with integrity usually makes you feel better than chasing short-term pleasure. And personal happiness is also important. If people always sacrifice their own well-being for what they believe is right, they hurt themselves. They can end up exhausted and angry. For instance, always putting others first could prevent someone from pursuing their own dreams. Another example is spending money on a much-needed vacation instead of helping a struggling family member. Happiness and self-care are not selfish. They are necessary for a balanced life. What do you think? Thank you.